Hi, and welcome to Energy Pro Windows and Siding Showroom here in Belton, Missouri. I'm Eric, and today I'm here to kind of showcase the Sunrise Vanguard sliding patio door. Talk a little bit about the benefits from Vanguard over other patio doors, and honestly, the benefit from installing a sliding patio door instead of using or installing or purchasing a atrium style patio door or a French style patio door. So this is the Vanguard series by Sunrise. Let me step back and tell you something about a sliding patio door in general. This is an easy glide sliding patio door. So it slides, opens and shuts, super easy, one finger pull. The reason why the one finger pull on a sliding patio door like this is going to be because of the rollers. This particular door has solid brass, larger sized or oversized rollers. They're also adjustable. We guarantee that this is an easy slide for the life of the door. There are 7 adjustable points on the rollers, so as if the door ever starts to have a hard time sliding or getting stuck, we can adjust the sliding patio door for easy glide always. Along with Sunrise, so this particular patio door comes with an insulated glass unit. It's the same glass unit that Sunrise puts in their windows. It's a Cardinal glass, insulated glass unit. This is the Omega 12 or the Cardinal 366. It comes with a lifetime warranty. On the IG fill, this entire door comes with a lifetime warranty. The Sunrise, outside of the Easy Glide adjustable brass rollers, this has a 3-point locking system. So when you lock the door at night, you're going to have locking points at the top, in the middle, and at the bottom of the door. So most of your patio doors are going to have a single or a double lock in the middle. This one in particular, when you throw the switch, it's locking again, top, middle, and bottom. Most of your sliding patio doors now that are sold are going to come with a night latch, a security latch. This is called the toe kick latch. So if you're worried about extra safety, you can close the door. You just step on the lock to lock it or engage it. It's called a toe kick. To disengage, you just kick the front of it and it pops up. You unlock the door and you slide it open. With the Sunrise Vanguard patio door, all the same finishes you're going to get with this door that you get with Sunrise windows. You're going to get your white interior, exterior, tan. Sunrise does a black wood veneer interior with whatever color you want on the outside, and of course your wood grains. Moving on with this, your screen. What makes the unique screen in the Sunrise Vanguard series, it hangs from the top. So instead of having your little spring rollers at the top and the bottom, this one actually has a track that is built into the frame. The screen attaches to that. It does have the spring-loaded rollers on the bottom, but if this window comes off because a dog walks through it or children or pushes off, it's going to stay hung. It's not going to fall on the ground and bend up your frame. Again, this frame here comes with a lifetime warranty. It does not cover the screen, but it does cover the lifetime warranty. Now, the difference in patio doors and what makes a sliding patio door superior to other types of patio doors like your French doors, your atrium doors, is air infiltration. This area of the country with the ground settling and our doors and windows are constantly moving, the air infiltration rating on a sliding patio door is far superior to any kind of other man door, front door, or other types of patio doors. Meaning that the track, when you hear that suction, you're not going to get air infiltration through the frame. This frame also comes with spray foam insulation, so you're getting an R value out of your frame all the way around the door, as well as around the frame of your glass. We were discussing the solid brass rollers and how there's 7 points of adjustment. A lot of times customers will call in and say they have a sliding patio door that's really hard to open and close, and they've used our WD-40 to spray the track, over and over and over again, or some kind of garage silicone, but their door just continues to get gooped up and it's hard to roll. Well, at Energy Pro, we ask customers never use any kind of a grease or silicone spray on your patio doors. Those rollers that are here in the bottom of this door, right on this little track, okay? Our points of adjustment, are right here. This little screw hole is exposed. We can go in there and we can adjust that. So if the actual weight of the door is sitting down too low, the door is becoming hard to slide, it's just because your house is settled or maybe one of those rollers is back down. We can come out for free for the first 10 years, and we just come out and we adjust that right back to where it's an easy glide. If a budget is a big concern, we have an economical vinyl patio door here sold by Joyce. It's a great product. It's a lot of bang for the buck. You get a highly lifetime warranty glass insulation pack. You still have the vinyl. You have large rollers that roll on a track. There's about 4 points of adjustment on this particular door so that it is always sliding. You have a 2-point lock system or a 1-point lock system available to this door. This particular door here also comes with the night latch or the toe kick latch for added safety. Now on this one, your screen is going to be a standard typical vinyl patio door screen. You're going to have the spring clips on rollers on the top and the bottom. But if energy efficiency is really important to you, this is a highly energy efficient rated door. So your air infiltration is going to be far superior to any other style of door like French or Atrium.